friends, today I'm going to share with you one of my most favorite recipes. It is the Moong Dal Halwa, also used in the Gurdwaras as the Prasad Halwa. But again, the twist today that I'm going to share with you is I'm going to make it with the minimal amount of ghee, because the usual Moong Dal Halwa is loaded with ghee. So this is going to be with a very little amount of ghee, and I will share the entire recipe, but I'm actually making it in the air fryer. The main part of roasting the moong, I'm going to do it in the air fryer. So to begin with, I'm taking 1 cup of moong dal, and I'm going to use 2 cups of water, and I'm going to soak this for about 3 to 4 hours before I move to the next step. After draining all the water out from the soaked dal, I will put it in the air fryer at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes with 1 spoon of ghee. Although you can adjust the temperature and the time to suit the settings of your air fryer, but our goal is to make the dal well roasted of this color. Roasting the dal in the air fryer like this eliminates using a lot of ghee, and it immensely reduces the time that you have to keep roasting the dal. Now I'm going to put it in the blender and make it into a coarse ground paste of the moong dal, but please make sure not to make it very thin paste. After grinding the dal, I will put 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and put it on a medium heat. I'm going to continue to roast the moong dal paste and continue to stir it till it starts changing its color and thickens up. And I'm mixing it with the ghee really well. Also, the moong that I roasted was actually like a coarse roasting, not a very thin ground paste. For the moong dal halwa, it should be a little thicker with very little water or milk rather than making it a very thin paste. I feel the need for 1 more tablespoon of ghee, so I'm going to put 1 more tablespoon of ghee in this. While moong lentil paste is still, I'm still roasting that on a medium heat. On another pan, I'm going to start boiling 1 cup of milk, with 1 cup of water, and that was whole milk, by the way, and 1 cup of sugar, and about a pinch of elaichi or cardamom powder, and I will let this milk boil while I'm still roasting the moong dal, because this has to be constantly stirred and cannot be left alone. While the moong dal halwa is still roasting on the other pan, I have put a little ghee in a separate kadhai, and I'm going to roast some of the dry fruits. You can choose those of your liking. The milk has started to boil now, and there's a beautiful fresh aroma of the moong lentil all over the home right now. And if you notice, the color of the moong dal has also changed to a golden brown. Since the lentil is beautifully roasted now, I'm going to pour the milk that we had just boiled into the moong lentil paste and continue to stir it for about 10 more minutes till the milk completely disappears and the halwa starts thickening up. Moong Dal Halwa is, as you know, is extremely delicious, and it's very rich in protein as well because it's moong dal, moong lentil, which is very rich in protein. But as you can see, it takes a long time to roast this, and since I like to do it on a medium heat anyway, it has taken me about 30 minutes to be able to roast this. At this stage, I'll add 1 last spoon of ghee. Now that the halwa has started to leave the pan, I'm now going to plate the halwa and I'm going to serve it to you. Friends, if you like this recipe, please give it a like and do subscribe to my channel for lots of delicious and healthy recipes. And don't forget, eat naturally, live happily.